I want to talk about this machine you are looking at in Cape Town. This machine is a fraudulent machine that will collect your money and will not deliver the product you want to buy. Please be careful of it. Look at the number. Just listen to what these people have to say about the machine. I'm a victim as well. The machine collected my money and did not bring out
this
what I
machine.
want. Listen to this
Took
gentleman.
how much from you?
20 rand note.
20 rand note.
No change.
And you didn't get your drink, you didn't have your change. This same machine here in this hospital,
Yeah,
in Somerset Hospital,
that's right.
took your 20 rand. Okay, they will hear from us. Thank you.
50.
For the machine, this same machine took your 5 rand 50 cent,
Yeah,
and you can't get it.
can't.
This same foolish machine by Atlantis. So they are doing fraud in Cape Town. We sort them out.